right, I'm back here at the Quick Wash to wash the Ford once again. Now, a little update about this, about the Explorer. It is actually now my full-time car. My dad replaced this car with a 2020 Yukon SLT. So yeah, this car is now my full-time car. And another update, take a look at this. I've upgraded. I've now added CarPlay to the radio section. Don't really feel like giving a full demo of the thing just yet because it's not in full working order. I'm still trying to figure out the dash cam, and I still haven't set up the reverse cam yet. So once I get those set up, I will definitely make a demo on it in the next car tour. Very, very nice upgrade. Anyway, now we wait for this bay to open. All right, the Jeep is now pulling in, so we will go ahead and pull in front of them, or behind them, excuse me. There's the machine up ahead, and there's their wash options right there. So, pay station has not changed. All right, so we're gonna select the premium. Yep. It thinks that the bay is empty, even though it's clearly not. Ooh, definitely want to clean that. It's a good way to get the wipers going. By the way, sorry for the loss in focus. My camera decided to turn on manual focus. So all right, so we are going to go ahead and wait for the person in front of us to leave, and then we'll go. And we'll check out this Accutrac 360, which you can't see because the water is in the way, but it's a Petit Accutrac 360. So let's go ahead and wait, and then we'll go. All right, we have the go light. Put this wallet away. Oops. All right, this dude has stopped, so I'm gonna wait a second because there's somebody crossing up ahead of him. Getting kind of close to the person in front of me. There we go. Stop. Oh. No buzzer. Oh, that's weird. Oh, there's LED lights on the machine itself. That's kind of cool. I'm really loving these colors. It's very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the engine. No reason to have it running. This system is very similar to the... Ooh, my hand's in the way. This system is very similar to the not the Wash World, the Water Wizard system in the next bay. It's very cool. Seems Quick Wash has a very good system here. Oh, we can't see anything. We can't still see much. It's a good way to get the wipers clean. Pretty tight clearance over there. What is this? Oh, it's tri-foam? All right. Nice and powerful. Unlike before, because the Water Wizard system that used to be in this bay kind of had a couple of problems. And the other one it still has issues too, so I'm not too surprised. We got wax, I think. What does it say? Yeah, it doesn't say anything. I'm pretty sure it's wax. I think that's our spot-free rinse. The spot-free rinse sign looks a little bit lighter. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's actually RGB lights on the ceiling. Very interesting. And here's our spot-free rinse. Oh, that's cool. It cleans the mirrors. What do you think of that? Well, that was very quick. Not what I expected. Oh, gotta clear that. For those who watched the video of the Futura Impulse that I filmed on this channel, you guys may remember that when I was going through the dryers, my video also stopped recording, just like how it stopped recording here. This is because my radio had to connect, and my phone used to have a tendency to freeze my camera app if that were to occur. So, yeah, not fun. Alright, the video stopped because the radio had to connect. We got 40 seconds of dryer time, so I'm going to try to use this as best as I can. And probably not that great on the windshield. All right. Well, that is pretty much it for the system. My first ever Petit system. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.